The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central likely Parle County, Central Yellow Medicine County, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Taunton, or 16 miles northwest of Marshall, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of South Central likely Parle and Central Yellow Medicine counties, including the following locations: Spring Creek, Providence, St. Leo, and Hazel Run. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.